Hey everybody, in today's video I partnered with Fabfitfun. They have gifted me their spring 2023 box in exchange for this video. When they first contacted me, I thought it might be fun to do a Fabfitfun unboxing because I have not probably done an unboxing video in maybe 4 to 5 years. I have received a few subscription boxes in the past, one of which was Fabfitfun. So in exchange for this video, Fabfitfun gave me this box, and they have also given me a special promotion discount code for my viewers where you can try a Fabfitfun seasonal box at a discounted rate. The promo code and the link to shop through will be below this video. So let me tell you a little bit about Fabfitfun. Fabfitfun is a customizable seasonal box with full-size beauty, fashion, wellness, lifestyle, and home products sent out once per season. One product could be worth more than what you would pay for the entire box. It's available in both Canada and the US. Your first box will cost $47.99 US if you use my code. So be sure to click on my link to be eligible for the reduced cost, and the link and the code is below the video in the show more or description box. There are two types of memberships. There's annual or seasonal memberships. The annual membership, you pay $54.99 US per box. You prepay for the 4 boxes and you get to choose 8 customizable items. You are billed $219.99 once annually, and customization was open February 3rd to the 7th. For the seasonal membership, you pay $59.99 per box, billed quarterly. You get 4 customizations, and customization begins February 17th to the 21st. But don't forget, if you shop through my link and my special discount code, your first box will cost you $47.99 instead of $59.99. And the spring box has a value up to $300. So the special promo code is Cathy over 50, and the link for the special discounted price is in the description box. So I'm so excited to see what is in the box. This is the box, and I just received it yesterday, and I don't remember the products that I chose. I was allowed to pick products, but it was a while ago, and with my memory I can never remember. So I'm excited to see what is included in the box because truly I honestly don't remember what I picked. But it can be up to a value of $300 US. So let's see what's in the box. Okay, the first item is a roundy towel. It's 57 inches and it's 100% polyester. Okay, so let's open it up. It's a very vibrant orange and it's huge. You can use this as a beach towel. You could use it, say you were going on a picnic. You could even use it as a tablecloth for the spring and summer. It just has a floral print, and I feel this material, once it's washed, it's really going to be nice and soft. I actually do remember choosing this, and it is a set, a Terry Lounge set by Not Your Daughter's Jeans. That is a good brand, and I actually own jeans by them, and they are so comfortable. This is the top and the bottoms. So it's a really cute set, and NYDJ is such a great brand. So the next thing are some Kate Spade sunglasses. To be honest, I don't remember picking these. I know that I must have. I looked it up and there are 2 different Kate Spade sunglass styles. I chose the Aviator. They're nice. I don't think they're the most flattering for me. I prefer the rectangle shape, but they are comfortable. Yeah, they're kind of cool and they give a fun vibe for the spring and summer. Very good quality. Comes with this lovely little pouch. So yeah, these are fun. After I open everything, we're going to go through everything and I'm going to show you the different values. This next product I love. I love Core's body wash. I love their shower gel. This is such a good brand. I've used this countless times in the past. This is their body cream, their sea salt body cream. Let me see if it's open. I'm just gonna put a little bit on my hand. You can see how thick this cream is. It is so luxurious and I love it. I love their shower gels, body creams. Oh, the smell is so nice. I wish you could smell it. I love Korres, and what a great item to be included in the Fabfitfun spring box. Love it. Okay, next up, I kind of remember picking this. It is the Too Faced Better Than Sex eyeliner. It's a waterproof, flake-proof, non-smudging eyeliner. And it's in the color Deepest Black. I usually don't use a liquid eyeliner, like hardly ever. So I may gift this to somebody that I know that will use it. So I don't want to open it, but Too Faced is a great brand. I love their mascara. I've tried a little bit of their makeup in the past and really, really great quality. So I'm happy to have this. And then my final item in my box, I guess I only get 6 items because I guess when I tally all this up, it must be close to 300, but we're going to see that in a minute. And this is by NCLA Beauty, and it is their overnight lip mask, and it's in the scent, or whatever you want to call it, birthday cake. I am a sucker for lip masks. I use one every night. Kind of reminds me a lot of the Laneige packaging. It kind of smells like cake. I'm not going to test it because I already have one open. I'm going to save this, but it's a beautiful lip mask. I like that it has this top protection cover, because my other ones do not have this. That's a great feature. Okay, so let's see what the value is for my spring 2023 Fabfitfun box. The Kate Spade sunglasses have a value of $129 US. I think that they're great. You can tell that they're really good quality and they're super cute. And I love that they're just a nice neutral color. That will pretty much go with anything. The NYDJ French Terry Lounge set has a value of $60. So that is the second highest priced item in my box. Personally, I'll probably gift this set to somebody because I don't like lounge sets that have shorts in them. I prefer like full-length pants. But you can really tell that the quality is great. And like I've said, I own some NYDJ jeans and they're amazing. NYDJ is a great, great company. And then the next most expensive item is the Korres body cream at $27. This cream will last a long time. A little bit of this goes a long way. It is such a great brand. It is infused with olive oil. It's a moisturizing body cream enriched with extra virgin olive oil, and it's a natural source of vitamins and antioxidants. It's a lightweight texture that gets absorbed quickly into the skin, and honestly, just by putting that little bit on my hand, my skin feels so, so soft. And then the next most expensive item is the Summer Roundy Blanket. I think it's fun. I'm going to keep it. Can just throw it over my table in the spring for a tablecloth. It's really cute. Kind of reminds me of going on a picnic or having a barbecue. And it's really good quality as well. I can tell once I wash it, it's really going to get nice and thick. The Too Faced Better Than Sex eyeliner has a value of $24. And then lastly, the lip mask has a value of $21. So let's add everything up, and it comes to a total value for my spring Fabfitfun box of $286. Do I think that the box is worth $47.99 if you use my special shopping link and discount code? Yes, because the sunglasses alone are worth $129.99. They're super cute. And even just for the Korres body moisturizer, which is valued at $27, these two things have more than paid for the $47.99. Subscription boxes are great because you pay for them and then you kind of forget that they're coming, and when they do arrive, it's like Christmas morning, like a special treat. Now, it is nice that you can choose the things that you like during their customization process. And I do believe there is the option that you can purchase several add-ons. Thank you, Fabfitfun, for sending me this box, and let me know, are you going to try the box out, or do you already subscribe to the box? If this is your first time here, welcome. I'm Cathy, I'm 54 years old, and I do fashion, makeup, and lifestyle videos for women. So if you have not subscribed, I would really love it if you did. If you enjoyed watching this Fabfitfun Spring 2023 unboxing video, you might also want to catch up on this video, how to wear leggings over 50 when you're plus size. I'll see you over at that video. Bye.